Okay, welcome viewers. Today I am going to present exit exam question and the answer on theme 3. Theme 3, which is include entrepreneurship, management information system, strategic management, and project management. As before, it is multiple choice type of question, and the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the primary objective of entrepreneurship? A. Job delegation. B. Economic and social value creation. C. Resource allocation. P. Budget management. The answer for this question is B. Economic and social value creation. Question number 2. Which of the following best define an entrepreneurial mindset? A. Avoid risks and focus on stability. B. Innovating, identifying opportunities and taking calculated risk. C. Concentrating only on profit-making strategies. D. Delegating tasks to subordinates. The answer for this question is B. Innovating, identifying opportunities and taking calculated risk. Question number 3. A student develops a business model for a local delivery service catering to underserved areas. Which stage of entrepreneurship is this? A. Growth stage. B. Idea generation development. C. Maturity phase. D. Harvesting. The answer for question number 3 is B. Idea generation and development. Question number 4. What is the primary challenge of entrepreneurship in resource constraining environments? A. Lack of innovative ideas. B. Limited access to markets. C. Financial and technical barriers. D. Inefficient business models. The answer for this question is C. Financial and technical barriers. Question number 5. A business must choose between entering the food industry or the tech industry, both showing growth potential. Which criterion is critical in the decision? A. Organizational culture. B. Demand trends and competitive advantage. C. Employee morale. D. Advertising cost. The answer for this question is B. Demand trends and competitive advantage. Question number 6. Design an effective marketing strategy for a tech startup. Which approach is most suitable? A. Focus on word of mouth, advertise only. B. Invest in digital marketing targeting tech savvy customers. C. Develop a global television campaign. D. Partner exclusively with local brick and mortar retailers. The answer for question number 6 is B. Invest in digital marketing targeting tech savvy customers. Question number 7. Which of the following is a function of management information system? A. Data collection and processing. B. Employee recruitment. C. Supply management. D. Competitor evaluation. The answer for question number 7 is A. Data collection and processing. Question number 8. What role does MIS play in decision making? A. Replacing traditional decision making process. B. Providing timely, accurate data to support decisions. A. Eliminating organizational hierarchies. D. Preventing all risks in operations. The answer for this question is B. Providing timely and accurate data to support decisions. Question number 9. A manufacturing firm implements software for inventory tracking and real-time reporting. What type of MIS is this? A. Transaction processing system. D. Decision support system. C. Executive information system. D. Supply chain management system. The answer for this question is transaction processing system. Multiple choice. Choice A. Choice A. Question number 10. How does knowledge management within MIS improve organizational performance? A. By centralizing hierarchical structure. B. By ensuring that knowledge is stored and shared effectively. C. By focusing solely on financial data analysis. D. By replacing employee training system. The answer for this question is B. By ensuring that knowledge is stored and shared effectively. Question number 11. Evaluate the role of data security in MIS. Why is it important? A. To comply with government policy. B. To ensure accessibility to competitors. C. To protect organization and customer data from unauthorized access. D. To reduce operational complexity. The answer for this question is C. To protect organizational and customer data from unauthorized access. Question number 12. Propose an MIS integration strategy for a company expanding internationally. What is the first step? A. Installing the latest hardware. B. Conducting a need assessment of international operations. C. Outsourcing IT service. D. Standardizing existing process across regions. The answer for this question is B. Conducting need assessment of international operations. Question number 13. What is the primary objective of strategic management? A. Maximizing day-to-day productivity. B. Aligning an organizational long-term goals with operational activities. C. Ensuring minimal employee turnover. D. Creating short-term business strategy. The answer for this question is B. Aligning an organizational long-term goal with operational activity. Question number 14. Which of the following best describe a company's mission statement? A. A vision of its future goals. B. A summary of its immediate objectives. C. A statement defining its purpose and core values. D. An outline of its budget allocation. The answer for question number 14 is C. A statement defining its purpose and core values. Question number 15. A business performs a SWOT analysis and identify significant market opportunities. What strategic action should it take next? A. Ignore the opportunities. B. Focus exclusively on internal weakness. C. Develop an action plan to capitalize on opportunity. D. Terminate low performer business units. The answer for this question is C. Develop an action plan to capitalize on opportunities. Question number 16. Which of the following best differentiate strategic management from operational management? A. Operational management focus on long-term goals. B. Strategic management involve planning and evaluating business direction. C. Strategic management deals only with resource allocation. D. Operational management emphasizes high-level analysis. The answer for this question is strategic management involves planning and evaluating business direction. Question number 17. A company wanted to enhance its competitive position. Which action would be most effective? A. Reducing cost while maintaining product quality. B. Increase price without additional value. C. Limiting investment in innovation. D. Avoid market research activity. The answer for this question is A. Reducing cost while maintaining product quality. Question number 18. Design a global strategy for entering a saturated market. What is the key consideration? A. Ignoring customer preference. B. Differentiating products to target unmet needs. C. Use generic marketing strategies. D. Reducing quality standards. The answer for this question is B. Differentiating products to target unmet needs. Question number 19. What is the primary focus of project management? A. Managing daily operational tasks. B. Achieving specific project objectives within constraints of time, cost, and resources. C. Increasing production capacity. D. Creating financial stability. The answer for this question is B. Achieving specific project objective within constraint of time, cost, and resources. Question number 20. Which stage of a project involves defining its objective and scope? A. Initiation. B. Planning. C. Execution. D. Closure. The answer for this question is initiation. Question choice A. Initiation choice A. Question number 21. During project planning phase, a manager allocates resources and creates schedules. What is the manager's addressing? A. Project monitoring. B. Task prioritization. C. Resource management. D. Stakeholders engagement. The answer for this question is C. Resource management. Question number 22. Which is critical factor for successful project execution? A. Neglecting stakeholders' feedback. B. Clear communication and effective leadership. C. Delaying resource allocation. D. Poor documentation of activities. The answer for this question is B. Clear communication and effective leadership. Question number 23. A project experiences delays due to external factors. How should the project management respond? A. Disregard stakeholders' concern. B. Revise the project plan to incorporate contingency actions. C. Ignore the delays until completion. D. Terminate the project. The answer for this question is revise the project plan to incorporate contingency actions, which is choice B. Question number 24. Propose a risk management plan for an IT infrastructure project. Which step is critical? A. Identifying potential risks and their impacts. B. Rely solely on the project timeline. C. Avoiding documentation of risks. D. Ignoring low probability events. The answer for this question is identifying potential risks and their impacts. Question number 25. Which metric is most useful for evaluating the success of complete project? A. Cost variance analysis. B. Employee turnover rate. C. Competitor analysis report. D. Employee satisfaction scores. The answer for this question is A. Cost variance analysis. Okay, viewers, this is all about team 3. In the coming, we will present the on team 1, team 4 and team 5. Thank you, viewers. Subscribe and share it for your friends.